Number 21 and 22, the ABCs of violin, we are introducing the letter F on our E string. Open E, then F is that first finger. And this is F sharp, but for time in syllables, we're just going to call it F for now. And we just reference the key signatures, and you'll learn more about key signatures and more theory things in the future. So don't worry about that. So number 21, like before, this is all just half notes, and we're just introducing how to put that first finger down. Make sure that your whole hand is pulled back and that you are curling that first finger. We're not going to angle our wrist in at all. So a lot of people, when they go onto the E string, they like to do this grotesque angle where their wrist is bent crooked like this, and that's going to cause a lot of problems. We want to make sure that that wrist is staying nice and straight. So put all three fingers down on the A string, and then we're simply going to lift and pull them in. So in ASL, American Sign Language, this is E, A, B, C, D, E. It's my non-dominant hand, so excuse me. So E, and so that's the way pretty much we're going to be doing that E string, just more curved. We don't want anything too gross like that. Curve that finger, and we're just pulling them in so that they're nice and curled. I'm going to keep saying curl. Curl those fingers on your tippy toes. We don't want any of those pads on there where we won't get a good note. So E, F, E, F, E, F, E, rest, lift, repeat. All right, but we're not going to repeat. We're just going to play. So let's pluck it first. 1, 2, ready, go. E, F, E, F, E, F, E, rest, rest. Good. Now let's do it with the bow. So pay attention to what the bow is telling you when it comes to playing on your E string. I feel that I don't have to do much pressure at all for my E string because it's such a taut, a very tight string that it just sings on its own. So watch how much pressure you're letting your half hand, or else it gets all crunchy like that. So keep moving that bow. E string is sometimes hard to get to sound good, so have patience and be nice to yourself. So let's set that finger up. We're just going to curl everything and slightly lift. 1, 2, gentle, go. Rest, rest. Okay, let's look at number 22. We are skipping a note in there. Check it out. We're doing A, B, C, E, F, E, F, E, F, E, C, B, A, rest, rest. So if you have a habit of skipping or not skipping that note, give a little circle where you have that third jump right there. When we skip a note like that, it's a third. And so A, B, C, E, F, E, F, E, F, E, C, B, A. And we're just skipping that third finger, which is a little bit interesting. So now let's pluck it. 1, 2, ready, go. A, B, C, E, F, E, F, E, F, E. 2 fingers, C, B, A, rest, rest. Good. Now let's do the bow. 1, 2, ready, go.